live from the beautiful Kalpa.
इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं काल्पा, कहां रुक सकते हैं और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। Of the Kinnaur journey. This is your girl Neha, a girl in the midst. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि यहाँ पहुंचा कैसे जाए। With a total distance of 552 kilometers from Delhi, the best way to reach Kalpa is by road via Reckong Peo. Reckong Peo is one of the biggest towns in the area and in Kinnaur, which is well equipped with all the amenities and a good marketplace. It's also the hub of the Buddhist culture here. Many buses and private taxis are available from the Delhi ISBT and Chandigarh that you will get to the Reckong Peo bus stand. And from there, you can hire a shared cab or a private taxi. And let me show you how we reached here.
Hi everyone. So we have crossed Thiog और अभी हम काफ़ी आगे आ गए, आधे घंटे हो गए हमें निकले हुए। 6 hours 30 minutes का ड्राइव दिखा रहा है मैप्स पे। सो लेट्स सी इफ वी रीच बाय देन। और व्यूज़ अभी सही हैं, अभी तो शुरू करा है। लेट्स सी हाउ दे गो और we'll keep you updated and posted. Say hi pages.
Hello.
Okay, cool. तब तक ये enjoy.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone.
There were a lot of beekeepers along the way, so we decided to.
Guys, I think they're making honey right now somewhere here. So we're just checking if we can get some nice honey. Stay tuned.
So we bought some bottles of nice and natural honey and we went on our way.
So we have reached Rampur finally और यहाँ से 100 किलोमीटर और है. Pretty established place. I think you can find a lot of shops and places to stay over here.
You will get a bit of rough patches before and after Rampur. I'm not gonna lie. पर किन्नौर enter करते ही आप खुद ये बोलोगे कि ले चलो हमें उसी रास्तों पे फिर से।
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
With the increase of tourists in Kalpa, there are now multiple homestays and hotels available in Kalpa. So it is safe to say that you will have enough options to choose from and that fits your pocket and need. There is an HPTCC hotel also there, which has amazing views and is actually quite a luxury one if you want to stay there. But we stayed in a hotel called Rolling Rang, which has the best food and views of Kinnaur Kailash. वैसे तो यहाँ आपको हर जगह ही बेहतरीन व्यूज़ मिलेंगे, but it was amazing. Cost details यहाँ पे mention करती हूँ मैं. I will highly recommend that you go to the village, which is just a small hike away depending on where you are staying. हमने 30 minutes का hike करा, हम नीचे गए village में.
सुंदर गाँव यार. नमस्ते.
There were few gompas that we visited.
Chawa, Lakhang, Sambud, Choiling, Kalpa.
Definitely witness either the sunrise or the sunset because Kalpa is famous for it. हमने दोनों witness करे fortunately और आपको मैं अभी दिखाऊंगी कि sunrise इतना beautiful था. The sun literally came out from behind the Kinnaur Kailash peak and it was so magical that it gave me goosebumps. Surely, definitely you should experience it for yourself. And all you can do when you see it is just say Om Namah Shivaya. I think it'll fill you with all the positive vibes. Of course, you should go and visit the Rogi village, jahan pe the suicide point is quite famous, as everyone knows. It's quite of an Instagrammable spot now. So I think everybody knows that. So yeah, go and visit. इसके अलावा आप फेमस साकनी फोर्ट विजिट कर सकते हैं विच फेसेस द मैग्निफिसेंट हिमालयस. Apart from that, you always have so many trekking options in Kalpa जो आप यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, जैसे चाका मेडो ट्रैक, किन्नर कैलाश ट्रैक, छारांग घाटी पास ट्रैक and many more. Just Google it. I'm sure you'll find something or the other. This place demands your time. जब भी यहाँ आइए, please take some time out of your schedule. Come here at least for 2 to 3 days. Experience the small things that you may walk around and just intake the slowness and the vibe of this town. I think you will just fall in love with it like I did. Save this episode for any time you want to come to Kinnaur and visit Kalpa. If you do, then please hit that like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, help your girl grow, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My ID is girl_in_the_midst for all the high news stories. So I'm gonna say bye now. I see you in the next episode from the Sangla Valley, and keep traveling, and ciao.
When I'm in this town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.